Alright, so in this particular home, it was built in the 1930s, so it lands on a pier and beam, so it actually goes underneath the home with multiple elbows, and with having multiple elbows can cause a dry issue because every elbow does slow down the airflow. So one thing with our inspection is we turn on the dryer to test the heat and the air. Once the dryer is, let's say, at a temperature, and if it's higher than 120 to 180, that means there is some kind of obstruction blocking the pipe system. Anything above 200 to 300 range, that you have some kind of blockage. Alright, so one thing with the dryer vent system, once it's going out to the side, there's no particular code to it, but there is a code where you can't have any type of screen, cage, blocking the exit point, because when you have lint buildup, there's no way for that lint to escape, and that can potentially be a fire issue. So temperature, the airflow for the dryer should be, I mean, there's no exact science to it. We as a company, we want to be in the higher teens or in the 20s, but as you look right now, the airflow from what it is right now is pushing about 1.81, and that is very, very low, indicating that the air is not properly escaping the vent. As you can see, even without this cover on, and you can see how much lint that does accumulate on here, even with that out, any airflow that's coming out of the pipe without anything blocking it should be higher than 20, maybe around the 30s. But as you see, it reads at 10, so there is something really going on with this dryer vent. And in this case, we're going to discuss it with the homeowner and see what they decide to do. It does need a cleaning, and cleaning will help out with the airflow, but because there are a lot of elbows, that can be an airflow issue.